Hey everyone, Pat Mitchell here, and in this free video lesson from TrickTrades, I'm going to show you a couple simple but effective technical analysis tips and tricks to make you nothing but money day in and day out. So let's get into it. Okay guys, Tesla today, Friday, November 23rd. It was a short day in the market because of Thanksgiving. I really wasn't expecting too much action, but there was actually quite a few setups today. We nailed Amazon, Tesla, Nvidia, and Apple, ANY, and TIS pre-market. So we had quite a few trades today. Really nice. Members did really well. I did really well. Pretty exciting day, actually. So without any further ado, I'm going to teach you guys a couple little simple tricks that I teach at TrickTrades to make my members money and myself money. So Tesla, when you look at this chart, right, it doesn't show you really anything. It just kind of popped up, came up to what's the high here? The high at 337.56, and then it came up to here at 334.46. So two areas that, it doesn't really show you anything at first glances, okay? So one of my main strategies is to always look at high of day and low of day from the previous day. Now, I'll show you here why I love e-signal. Now, do you see these lines? These two lines, the green and the green? Well, both of these are areas that I have automatically plotted. This is yesterday's lows, okay? Do you see how it came right into that? So I was prepared. I knew the area that I was watching for first thing in the morning. I actually missed this trade because I focused up. I thought I had a few more minutes on Tesla, and I didn't. I was focusing up on a separate trade that I ended up nailing. So, I mean, no damage done. Everything worked out all right. But I ended up missing Tesla. But some members caught this because they're very well trained. This is how I train my members. So I'm going to show you what to look for. Okay. So again, it just kind of looks like it's, coming into no man's land. But look. Yesterday's lows, right? And people say that this type of trading is hindsight trading. It's not. We take these trades each and every day at TrickTrades. Look where it tapped out. Right dead nuts to the top. So what you want to watch for with something like this, guys and girls, is do you see the speed at which it went into those highs? Do you see how there was speed, how there was volume, and it pushed really fast, it popped really fast? Speed is really important when these stocks come into resistance levels. You want to see speed. You wouldn't want to see this just kind of slowly grind. It might reject there, but it might just pull back and then go through again. Where this, 8 times out of 10, 9 times out of 10, it'll reject, and it'll be a hard rejection, and it'll wash out, and you can easily cover up. So from your entry, let's say you manage to get in and you hit the bid to get in because you didn't have orders set. So let's say you just hit the bid, okay, at 336.80s. We'll call it 337, all right? So you could have washed out, and just on this first candle, so from 337 all the way down to 333. Guys, that's a trade. That's multiple points right there. Easy money, just like that, okay? So this, because you would have had an awesome entry, and because of the market is going to be closing early, I wouldn't expect this to break highs at all today, at all. So you could have rode this out all day long very easily. Maybe you would have taken it off here and just been done with it. Maybe you would have held it right to the end, right? Either way, it would have been an awesome trade. So let's say you missed this trade, okay? Well, Now you have this trade. So you may be looking at it and saying, well, it's not coming into anywhere. I don't know. It came over the VWAP and then it... Well, first of all, number one, it is a lower high. Number two, it was showing signs of weakness. You see the topping tails on all these 1 minute candles. Sellers sitting up there. Well, what else do you have? What's this line right here? Right there. Where did it top out? Right at the opening price. Okay? It's a big deal, guys. The open is a very strong support or resistance area. All right? So these are the trades that we take and we call out at TrickTrades every day. That's why we manage to have such a high winning percentage and high odds of success with all of our trades. We use simple methods, simple support and resistance. It works, guys. Quit messing around with all of this stuff that you don't need. Come to a place where you're actually going to get taught how to be a day trader. The most successful day traders on this planet are guys and girls that keep it simple. When you complicate shit and you have a complicated strategy full with all sorts of other things going on, you're going to get smoked. You're going to get smoked. Day trading is fast. It's very fast. And you need to keep it simple just for those reasons, folks. Okay? So again, when you take a look at this chart, let's take away this, right? I use e-signal. This is e-signal, by the way. And like I said, that's why I use e-signal, because you have all sorts of stuff that you can program in, right? So both of these areas, the open, and then we got yesterday's lows, right? Plus all the moving averages. You see these moving averages, those are the daily moving averages, right? This stuff comes in handy, guys. That's all I use. Previous days, highs and lows, and daily chart moving averages, and very few of them. And that's it. So when you look at the chart, the untrained eye sees nothing, right? It just sees a pop into no man's land and that's it. A pop into no man's land and that's it. No, not at all. These trades work day in and day out, folks. Easy. Easy money. There's a reason why day in and day out at TrickTrades, we hammer these trades, guys. All right? So that's what I got for you. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you're joining us Friday, November 23rd, you still have a few hours to get in on our Black Friday sale. Huge success so far. Get in for 25% off all educational videos and scanners. So that's what I have for you, folks. Come join TrickTrades.com. If you're interested in guidance, use Trick20 for the coupon. Save 20% your first month. And if you want to sign up for mentoring, use Mentoring 10 for 10% off recurring. So that's what I have for you, folks. Adios. Happy Thanksgiving. Have a good one.